Hello everyone, my name is Brian Sapin and I'll be talking about lean principles in trucking logistics. So let's begin. So as we have been learning in advanced manufacturing technology, the lean manufacturing principles came from the Toyota production system but have been so effective with tools like value stream mapping, just in time, single minute is exchange of dies, and the Kanban cards, and the total preventive maintenance. These systems have been so effective and good that they have expanded into all types of manufacturing, and now they can even be used in other sectors, and they can be very effective as also in the trucking logistics business. So I'll be talking about three tools in particular: value stream mapping, just in time, and single minute exchange of dies. These lean tools are helping reduce waste in trucking logistics. The first tool we'll be talking about is value stream mapping. And value stream mapping, as we have learned, focuses on value. Value as the customer sees it, things that make them want the company's product. In this case, being transporting their goods from one location to another. Value stream mapping also focuses on improving quality, service, and the reduction of costs through the elimination of muda. And muda, as we know, is overproduction, waiting, transport, inventory, overprocessing, and unnecessary motion and defects. These are some of the wastes that make up muda. As we can see in the picture, we see that a value stream map shows the flow of material and information in a map that shows cycle time, lead time, and setup time. One of the important aspects of these maps is that it shows a current state, and this current state could lead to improvements in a future state. And value stream mapping is a way to always keep improving. Now, if we apply the value stream map in the trucking transportation sector, we can expect to improve efficiency and reduce operator downtime. When VSM was used in transportation, many operators, many managers noticed that there was a lot of time, a lot of non-transportation time that was being used when the operators had to load their own trucks. But they made this by making the dock worker or another employee help the operator do some of the non-transportation work to allow the operator to focus more of their time driving and not loading their trucks. Also, with the value stream map, managers moved production to night shifts, and this allowed more flexibility and increases efficiency while reducing lead time, which is great for customers. Reducing the so one of the benefits that I was able to see through this is that they were able to reduce the non-transit time by 62%. And with all this non-transit time being eliminated, operators were able to take double routes, which increased product utilization and increased productivity. Now, the next step for the value stream map is to have a transportation value stream map, which is a value stream map that's more focused for the transportation sector. And This will have an operations and time system built into the plan, so managers can plan out routes better and achieve better efficiency while transporting and meeting the demands of the customers. And we could see in this map that it has um, multiple routes in the single trucker's route, so multiple stops, and it has transport time, serving time, and not in transport time all built into the value stream map. So this could help managers better route truckers and have better value for the customer. The next tool I'll be talking about is just in time. And the main goal of just in time is to reduce inventory size by producing exactly what is needed and not more so that inventory stays low and no resources are wasted in warehousing. In trucking, transport this means transporting only the required materials at the required time. And this can be done by having smaller quantities that are delivered more often. And the result of this will be having less space needed and having to pay for less warehouse space. FedEx has applied just in time and they have seen an 80% improvement of space, inventory, and lead time. The next tool is single minute exchange of dies. Single minute exchange of dies is the tool that reduces change over time. And the main idea being was to get as many of the operations from internal to external processes. An internal process is one where the machine has to be able to stop to be done, while an external process can be done while the machine is working. And of course, you want as many of the processes to be external, that way the machine can always be running. So in the trucking transportation sector, single minute exchange of dies prevents helps operators to avoid having to wait for a trailer to be loaded. And ways that this can be done is to move some processes to external processes. And some of these are getting the shipment ready in their warehouse, having parallel operations where two forklift drivers can work together to load one trailer. And one of the main ones is having multiple trailers to have trailers ready before the truck operator drops off his previous trailer. And in this last one, all the internal processes are moved to external processes because using the multiple trailers, all the loading, shipment that the forklift operators have to do to get that trailer ready are done before the operator even drops off his previous trailer. So the operator never has to stop. He could just drop off his old trailer and bring up a new one. Single minute exchange of dies has without a doubt been one of the major lean manufacturing principles that has been applied to the trucking transportation sector, but it cannot be used to its full potential for safety reasons. In if, for example, one other internal process that could be changed to external process is helping the operator load, connect their trailer, and get everything ready so the operator could leave. And this will save about 1 hour of non-travel time for the operator. But a trucker is responsible for his truck and personally has to check many of the safety points. Make sure that the trailer is connected correctly, that the trailer is in good running condition, that all the lights are working properly, and if there was another person helping him, he could not do his job as thoroughly as he does it. And this is one concept that is very important for the trucker to do, and that's the reason why this internal process can be changed into an external process. And single minute exchange of dies cannot be applied. So we have seen some of the improvements or positive points of having lean principles in trucking, but here are some of the negatives. As we just mentioned, there are many safety protocols that prevent having the full effect of single minute exchange of dies because, of course, of the safety implications that a trucker needs to do on his trailer. And in just in time, there is an increased cost of transportation from having smaller, more frequent shipments. And in the value stream mapping, the value stream map doesn't necessarily show how to reduce waste, it just shows where it's at. But these negative points are just small tweaks that can be improved. And the positives of having these lean principles are much greater, and this can be shown by its wide use in the trucking sector already. So lean principles in trucking transportation have helped in reduce waste, the 7 types of muda, and improve value in the eyes of the customer. Value stream mapping has helped by mapping out the current system and finding out ways to improve the system in future state maps. Also has helped shift into a 24-hour production, which improves equipment utilization and maximizes profit. Just in time has reduced warehouse space, which saves money because you don't have to pay for that warehouse and that storage space. And single minute exchange of dies allows truck operators to focus on driving and not loading their trailers, which helps improve production by letting them drive more and having less non-driving time. So lean principles in trucking transportation are very effective and are helping improve transportation for the customers. And without a doubt, they will be continue to improve production. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.